Man, here's a little quick giveaway update for you. A while back I offered a free intake lip repair job when I hit 50 subscribers. I hit 50. A guy sent me an email and says, hey, he goes, I need that spigot repair you do done. I said, send it on down. So here it is. This is going to one of my subscribers. Here's the repair job on this one. See if I can get it so you can see it. There we go. Steel insert pressed in a cast iron head. Matches the intake port damn near exactly. Repairs those chips and broken off parts you get there. Anyway, free giveaway has been given away. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I got more giveaways coming up in the near future, hopefully.